Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your home garage door. There's very simple methods when you go away on vacation to secure your home garage door and make it safe. So you're going on vacation, what's the simplest way to secure your garage door? The most simplest way is to just disconnect your garage door. No power, nobody can use anything to open up this garage door using keypads or remotes or whatever. So the simplest method to secure your garage door is just pull the plug. Simple, to the point, done. What you're trying to do is prevent them from forcing the garage door open. So if you put a bolt in here, it's going to secure it pretty good too, or put your padlock to secure it. So again, just padlock, you can have a key to the house. Of course, I like alloys, so I've got lots of alloys. So again, you can have a bolt in the hole here, stops the roller from going up, or put a padlock in, stops somebody from breaking into your house, opening up your door and pulling your stuff out. So again, to secure it, padlock, you can do one on each side, or just one does the trick. The good thing with this is it slows them down from forcing the door open, but also if they do bust into your house, they can't take all your stuff out the garage door, which is pretty popular. A bolt will do the trick, padlocked is best. Of course, I like my alloy padlocks. Another way of securing your garage door, I like to get a bigger pair. I can't find them right now, but if it's something that's this quick, you just want to be above the roller. Put a vice grip in there, lock her down. Bigger pair is better. You can run one of these, two of these, do whatever. Short, fast, vice grips. Bolt in there or padlock in there. Does the trick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your garage door when you're going away on vacation, holiday seasons, just how to make your garage more secure and less prone to burglaries, blah, 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 blah. Methods to secure your door, and you can blah, 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 blah.